Have you ever wondered why we dream? Every night, our brains create strange stories, flying over cities, reliving memories, or falling endlessly through space. But what's actually happening inside our minds when we dream? And why do we do it at all? Let's find out. When we sleep, our brains cycle through stages from light sleep to deep sleep, and finally REM sleep, which stands for rapid eye movement. That's the stage where most dreaming occurs. During REM sleep, your eyes dart around under your eyelids, your heart rate increases slightly, and your brain becomes almost as active as it is when you're awake. Yet, your body is effectively paralyzed to stop you from acting out your dreams. Dreams are basically our brains being awake while we're asleep. So what causes those vivid images and random stories? Scientists believe dreams come from the brain's limbic system, the emotional center, interacting with the neocortex, the part that organizes thoughts and memories. When these two areas light up, the brain starts linking random bits of memory, emotion, and imagination together. That's why dreams often feel nonsensical, like your brain is testing how ideas connect without logic or rules. In other words, your dreams are the brain's way of thinking creatively without consequences. Memory consolidation. Dreams help the brain organize and store information from the day, like sorting files on a computer. Emotional regulation. They allow us to process emotions and reduce stress. That's why nightmares often reflect anxiety or fear. Problem solving. Some research suggests dreaming helps the brain experiment with solutions in a safe, virtual environment. Random activation. The activation synthesis theory says dreams are just the brain's way of making sense of random electrical signals during sleep. In truth, it might be a mix of all these, a mental playground that keeps our brain healthy and flexible. Ever had a dream so vivid you weren't sure if it was real? That's because your brain turns off the prefrontal cortex, the logical part, during REM sleep. So while dreaming, you believe everything, no matter how strange it gets. That's why flying seems normal, or talking cats make perfect sense. Dreams remain one of science's most fascinating mysteries. Part memory, part emotion, part imagination. We may not fully understand why we dream, but one thing's certain: our sleeping minds never truly rest. Stay random.